Good morning everyone. Today we will revise from the topic multiplication table. Some of the dodging I have written here, that means mixing up of all the multiplication tables thoroughly from your multiplication syllabus you are having in your annual portion. Now see, the blanks may be in any place, either in front or in between or at last. You have to fill it by reading the multiplication table, which is easier. You know that whenever it is given, you either multiply any one. The two options will be given. Suppose the first question you see 2 into 7, that is 2 multiplied by 7 is how much? If you are capable of reading table 2, you can read 2 multiplied by 7, or if you feel easy to read the table of 7, you can read multiplication table of 7. 7 twos are how much? So both the side the answer will be same. So learn by heart the tables properly, and if you are having any confusion doubt, that time you can cross check your answer by multiplying the other part of the statement. Suppose the very first question we can see 2 multiplied by 7. We know if you are going to read the table 2, we have to read up to 7. So it is easier if you read the table of 7. So 7 into 2. Both the answers will be same. So if you are reading multiplication table of 7, within 2 you will get the answer. So 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. So by 7 into multiplied by 2, it will become 14. So we are going to write here 14. Okay, so let me use the black pen, it will be easier to visible for you. Next one, dash multiplied by 6 is how much? Now see here, as because the first one is not given, we are going to read the table of 6, and until 36 is coming we will go on reading. This part is very important because you have to by heart the multiplication table. It is a must. And as you are in class 1, now you are going to you will go after annual exam, you will read in class 2. So you should have a proper grip over the multiplication table, because it will help you in every step. So read the table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, and 6 sixes are 36. So we are getting 6 multiplied by 6 is 36. So we are going to write here 6. Now see the next question, what I was telling. See, the blank is to your right side. So 8 multiplied by 9 or 9 multiplied by 8, both the answers will be same. So either you read 8 into 9 or 9 into 8, whatever you feel easy. So let us read the table of 9. See, we all know that 9, we have to read up to full table of 9. So better, if you are very easily you can understand 9 5s are 45. Then from there we can read 9 6 are 54, 9 7 are 63, 9 8 are 72. So 9 8 are 72. So we will write here 72. If you are reading the table of 8, you will get the same answer. Now 10 multiplied by 0. We know, children, that anything multiplied by 0, the answer is always 0. So whenever 10 multiplied by 0, the answer is 0. Next, 10 multiplied by 10. 10 multiplied by 10 means you have to read the table of 10. We know that we are multiplying by 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 6 are 60, 10 7 are 70, 10 8 are 80, 10 9 are 90, 10 10s are 100. So we are going to write here 100. 10 multiplied by 10 is 100. Next, 11 fives are how much? You have to read the table of 5 or you can read the table of 11. Both are same. So it is easier to read the table of 11. So 11 fives are 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, 11 fours are 44, 11 fives are 55. So we will write here 55. Next, 4 how much is 32? See, the first one is blank. So we have to read the table of 4. 4 how much is 32? 4 8s are 32. So we have to read the table of 4. 4 8s are 32. So we are going to write here 8. Now see here, 12 multiplied by 5 is how much? Either you read the table of 5, but it will be easier to find out 12 5s are how much. So 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36, 12 4s are 48, 12 5s are 60. So we are going to write here 60. Next, 12 multiplied by 9. Again you have to read the table of 12. See, up to 12 5s are 60 we have read. So 12 6s are 72, 12 7s are 84, 12 8s are 96 and 12 9s are 108. So we are going to write here 12 9s are 108. So children, see, easily you can do. Now one more trick I am showing you in the next question. See here, 13 multiplied by 7. So if you have forgot the table, verbally also you can multiply and you can write. See, if I am going to multiply 7 into 3, so 7 3s are 21. It will be little hard for you. Then also I am showing you. If you understand very easy, you can do. Otherwise I will teach you in the next class. 7 3s are 21, 2 in hand. Again I am going to multiply 7 1s are 7 and 2 in hand, that means 8 and 9, that means 91. If you can do like this, okay. If you cannot do, you count the table and you write down, no problem. Now 7, how much is 0? Again, anything multiplied by, we know that the answer is 0. That means obviously we are multiplying the number with 0. So obviously whenever we multiply any number with 0, the answer always comes 0. So here that means 7 is multiplied by 0. Next, 11 tens are how much? So 11 into 10. Now see, here also I am going to show you the trick. See, whenever the last digit is 0, don't count it. Don't count it, okay? Just we will put the 0 after the answer. See, 11 zeros are how much? Suppose 5 tens are how much? 5 into tens are how much? We know that 5 tens are 50. So from here you can understand. Now leave the 0, as because 0 is at last, leave the 0. We are going to multiply the digits. We are going to multiply the digits. So 5 ones are how much? 5 ones are 5. I am writing here 5. And I will just simply put here 0. See, answer came 50. You can multiply 6 tens are 60. How much? We know 6 tens are 60. See, leave the 0 at last. 0 is at last. So multiply this 2 digit. 6 ones are 6 and put the 0. See, so easily we have got the answer. Now here 11 tens are. So leave the 0. 11 ones are 11. We are going to write here 11. And after that we will add 0. So it will become 110. Clear, children? Next, 5, how much is 45? We know the table of 5 and that is 5 9s are 45. If you are reading, very good. If 5 table is very easy, you find out 5 9s are 45. So I am going to write here 9. Next, 14 multiplied by 1 is how much? So 14 ones are 14. So I am going to write here 14 multiplied by 1. That means the digit itself will be the answer. So here the answer will be 14. Now 13, how much is 130? 13, how much is 130? We have to read the table of 13. And 13, if you are reading, it will become 13 tens are 130. 13 tens are 130. So in this way you can find out the numbers. So you should have a proper grip over multiplication table. So learn by heart, and if you are getting chance, we will revise this topic again. Okay? Thank you, children.